innovating.
We're at the center of computing history. It's a fantastic place which emphasizes how critical reinvention is. It's a fitting place, therefore, to talk about VMware and our relationship with our partners. Part of VMware's success over the past 20 years has been through a healthy and vibrant channel ecosystem. And the emphasis and importance that we place on our partners is for one reason. You're our route to our customers and end users. And how we've worked with our partners over the past 20 years has reinvented itself. Whether it's a reseller, a CISO, or a technology partner with the likes of Apple, we've radically changed how we operate and go to market in the ecosystem. Whether it's modernizing the data center, integrating public clouds, empowering digital workspace, or transforming networking security, VMware is incentivizing and promoting our partners to sell services and products that the market needs. VMware is proud to be best in class as a market disruptor. We have a winning vision and strategy that our customers love. And we are striving to become a $10 billion business and beyond, and we're inviting our partners to join us on this journey. VMware is turbocharging its partners by helping them develop practices to grow their hybrid cloud businesses. We have best-in-class incentives and programs to support, and the broadest cloud offerings, on-prem, public, and private, via our partnerships with IBM, AWS, and OVH. To learn more, join us at VMworld in November in Barcelona. And I look forward to welcoming you and your customers at the event.